Slovenian people and Slovenian politics, from the left to the right, have been always on the side of the cooperation and self-determination of Slovenian people. I'm continuing the work which started actually with first generation, first presidents of the Slovenians. Also the work of Ivo Weigl in the European Parliament on the platform of the cooperation between Catalunya and the European Union. I believe that those fights have to be fought without violence, democratically, and this is exactly what has been done so far. So I believe that the fight should be continued with negotiation, political negotiation between Spain on one side and on the other side, Catalunya, with the aim of preserving everyone, uniting everyone in diversity, of course, inside the European Union. The European Union is a place where such fights and minority and human rights have to be preserved much better than they have been so far. So we will continue the fight, and I believe that the European Union will become a home for Catalonia as it is a home for Slovenia.